I'm back again. Like, subscribe, and subscribe to Louis Justiano. We're doing part 2. Sneaking up on the other mother duck and see how she's doing.
Let me get 50 likes on this video.
Let's get 50 likes on this video. We know you enjoyed the babies. Ooh, there's a duck over there. We don't know if this is the mother duck or not. Or if she's still on her nest. Uh-oh. She's not in her nest, but her eggs are in there. And there they are. Zoom it in on the eggs. Quick. That's another duck.
That's the mama.
Mm-hmm. Zoom it in. Don't touch them. Now you see that? We'll go find the mama duck. There's the mama duck. And she's over here waddling around. You should get back on your nest after you get a good meal to eat. Take care of your youngsters. We didn't harm them, we just filming them. Just like we film you, mommy duck. Ain't she beautiful? She's out hunting for food, insects for her babies. And this is another walk out to check up on the other nest. Then we'll go around this way for a different angle. See if there's any others. At least we've seen that big nest. And we got somebody on the basketball court over there. How you zoom in? Show me how you do that again.
No, don't do that.
I'm gonna try one around.
Hey.
What kind of a shield is that?
Oh, quería contestarme. Qué bueno.
Cool car.
Mira, I was walking outside the apartment, and I saw
More.
15
13.
baby ducks. From los
kayak.
pajaritos esos grandes. Those ducks, those ugly looking ones. We have 15.
That calico had them, and now we got another one ready to... All she's got to do is hatch her eggs, and that's what we're going to see. Now to check up on the other ducklings. There's a duck over here. It's a cute duck. Hi.
Yeah, the ugly ones. You know, those patitos, los feos. The ones with the red face. But she had 15. And now another one's gonna lay. She laid her eggs. I bet she's gonna have about 15 of them.
It looks like 18 eggs.
They grow fast.
There's some more ducks in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna call the guy tomorrow. So for the computer, see what he says. Okay, man. Okay, man. All right.
Let's see. We'll cut through this entry over here. Up over the bridge. You see there's 3 ducks over here. And there they are. Whacking away. You gotta show me how to work this zoomer in and out. Like this. There's your duck, see? Okay. Come over here. I'm gonna bring us up on a new duck section. A new little path. Air conditioning.
Hello. Yeah.
And as we go through here, a new path.
Mira, you ain't gonna believe what these men found.
And another rock.
With 15 bucks. Yeah, baby bucks. Yeah, 15.
And we're coming up on a waterfall. We got some mallards.
And then there's another one in the front of the complex. He's about to have
You see the ducks washing away. Coming up on the bank of the stick. Here's one right here.
one right in front of us.
There's a mama duck and her baby.
Probably like that 5 or 6.
Very precious, as you see. And they're very sweet. And the water over here is very lovely. And as you see, we're moving in on this waterfall here. Oh, good. Do I have it in the right spot? I can't get her on there again. Put it back in the wide now. There we go. Not that far away. Yeah, that far away. The other duck's around the corner here. Around the bend. You got a nice big tree here. A couple of mallards over here. She's right around this corner here. And as you see these 2 little mallards, how cute they look, a girl and a boy, being a shaky wakey, flapping his wings. She's bathing herself. There we go. And you can see the waterfall. Very nice. No disc on the ground there. There she is. The other mama duck. Got the hang of this. Hey, mommy duck. There we go. She still hadn't had her babies yet, but they're going to be out soon. Give her time. We're going to go now back around through the gym and around the block. Ducks go back in the water. Quack, quack. Mallard ducks are cute. As you see these should I get close up on that Harley? And we got some ducks over here. One like to hide underneath the truck. See that duck under the truck? I don't know if you can see it or not. And there's some 2 in the back of it. Right here. Anything in there? What is that? That's nothing. A lighter like that?
Mm-hmm.
What is kind of lighter is that? A flower?
Butterfly for you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Put my pipe. Oh, butterfly. Lighter. Oh my boy, huh? Crying like a kitty. I just see it. This time it's set up that way, just walk around in here. Be cautious with it, and there's a slow sign. And you have children that play. Got some all kinds of plants and bushes around here. And more trees. And of course the gym. And that should be about it.